Welcome to Code with SP, the world of learning. In this video, we are going to study Python set. So set is also a collection data type wherein a single variable stores the multiple values, and this is unordered and unindexed. So once you declare set, you are not sure of which items comes where, and the Python set are written with a curly braces like this, and this set is a variable which stores these items, and it is enclosed with the curly braces. And once the set is declared, you cannot change its item, but still you can add the item using add function and update function. So let's take programming example. So here is a set yes. Yes is a variable which is of type set, and it is storing the values 1 2 3 4, and I'm printing this set. So let me save this and execute this. Python file name .py. So 1 2 3 4 is a set. Now you can add the item in this set. S dot add, and you can specify the value directly 5. I'll save this and execute. So now my set got updated, and the value 5, the new item which I entered, is reflecting in my set. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.